How's it going, folks? So, watched some of a video done by Count Dankula, and this was over this article that I'm going to put a link for in the description. But basically, the article is about an amendment to Indiana, uh, their state castle doctrine, basically. Basically, what the amendment is it gives the average person, John Q. Public, the ability to use deadly force, or the legal ability to use deadly force to protect against unlawful intrusion by public servants. Now, this article is making the claim, and it may or may not be true, that police at large are opposed to this bill. So I'm going to chime in on this. They quote the Indiana Fraternal Order of Police's president, Tim Downs. And Tim Downs is claiming this law is allowing for people to shoot police with impunity. And well, at this point, what about the laws that allow police to shoot other people with for personal protection, even when they've come into somebody's home with a warrant? Something that's not extended to the private citizen, by the way. You can't get a warrant to go into somebody else's home to arrest them or search a place. You have to let the police do that. So, I mean, are you saying the laws we have governing the police give the police the ability to shoot people with impunity? Oh, no. Well, neither does this law. This law does not give the people the ability to shoot police with impunity. Mr. Downs, you're being dishonest about this. The other thing that was brought up was that people who may be drunk or distraught or something like that might mistakenly think this law gives them the ability to shoot police even when it's a lawful traffic stop or a lawful warrant. And whether or not that's true, I mean, there is always a chance that there's going to be somebody who uses this law as a defense to shoot a police officer in the line of duty. And they may or may not get away with it. This is an imperfect world. And how many of y'all remember the Tamir Rice case? I know a lot of Back the Blue crowd in that time were showing pictures of somebody holding a real firearm and a BB gun and said, quick, which one's real, which one's fake? And, oh, too late, you're already dead. I understand the position. I understand it was a bad situation for the police officer. He had to make a call in milliseconds, and, I'd have probably made the same call as he did. So I understand where that police is coming from. However, hey guys, those of you in the police community, the law enforcement community, and those of you among the Black the Blue crowd, I think the average citizen deserves that same courtesy, do they not? Do they not deserve, okay, police came in their home, person can't tell if it's a home invader or not, they end up firing, surviving the incident, police officer gets killed. Don't you think that they also deserve that same benefit of the doubt that you would give a police officer? And and for those of you who don't, well, why should the police officers get that benefit of the doubt then? Oh, they're enforcing the law? Okay, well, when you unlawfully enter a home, what is that called? Called home invasion, is it not? Is that not breaking the law? Yeah, it is. Furthermore, we'll go on to address the crowd of people who are saying, well, but most police are good. And actually, it's mentioned in the article that we supposedly don't have a plague of marauding cops going around doing this to people. and that if it happens, it's just a few bad apples. Well, you still should be in favor of that law in this case. If that's the case, you still should be in favor of the law, because this law is going to dissuade those bad apples at this point. And if not, make them not your problem anymore, so to speak. So, yeah, that's not an excuse. In fact, it's actually all the more reason why this law should have been put in place a while ago, why this amendment should have been put in place a while ago. So you're not convincing me with that statement. But I digress. My comment section's always open for those of you who want to respond. And I know that if a certain crowd of people see this, like a Back the Blue crowd, I know I'm going to get at least one of those. If you're getting broken into, call a crackhead comment or response. I really don't care. Quite frankly, I can understand not hating on the police, just because they're police, but at the same time, I don't think the police are above the law themselves, and I've given the police a bunch of benefit of the doubt in the past, and I expect the police to give the general public the benefit of the doubt as well. I'm basically expecting the same standards, so to speak. So with that being said, again, comment sections below. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all take her easy out there. Have a great day.